We're back outside, we're barbecuing again. We're making these delicious Greek Lamb Souvlaki Kebabs. I'm going to start with marinating the lamb. It's quite a simple marinade, but it really has lots of flavour. In this marinade, we've got garlic, salt, dill, oregano, a pinch of cinnamon, ground pepper, and the zest and juice of a whole lemon. And you want to marinate this for at least 2 hours in the fridge, and then that'll be a lovely tender lamb ready to go on the barbecue. Okay, so the lamb's been marinating for about 2 hours. It's gone a lovely pale colour, hopefully you can see that there. That's the lemon juice in the marinade, really helping to tenderise the lamb. So now I'm going to put them on these nice flat skewers, ready to go on the barbecue. Nothing really interesting to say, whilst I'm just skewering lamb onto metal sticks. So that's the lamb all skewered up. I'm going to brush it with some vegetable oil, and then we're going to be sticking them on the grill. On a direct heat, and you want to watch for some of those flare-ups with that oil. Now the lamb's on the griddle, we're going to leave that for about 4 to 5 minutes each side until the lamb is nicely browned. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe for more recipe videos, both in the barbecue and in our kitchen. See you next time. Plane. Ruining my audio.